Good morning, children. Today we are going to start a new topic, that is food. In this chapter, we are going to read about what is food and what is the use of food. So, what is food? Food is anything that we eat. Okay, food is anything that we eat to live. जिंदा रहने के लिए जो हम खाते हैं, that is our food. In everyday life, we eat different types of food. We eat different vegetables, different fruits, different grains, different nuts, okay, milk products, meat, chicken, egg, different various things we eat every day. So that is our food. Why do we eat food? हम food क्यों खाते हैं? We eat food to live. What does the food provides? Food provides energy to our body to do work. डेली जो हम काम करते हैं उसके लिए हमें जो एनर्जी चाहिए, that energy we get from the food. Okay, so food gives us energy. Food gives us energy. Okay, food gives us energy. It also provides or it also protects from diseases and keeps us healthy and also help to grow. The food that we eat that gives us energy, that protect us from diseases, that keep us healthy and that help us to grow. जो खाना हम खाते हैं उस खाने से हमें इतने सारे फायदे होते हैं. What are those? Food gives us energy, food protects from diseases, food keeps us healthy and food helps to grow. Okay, so what are the things present in food? ये सारी चीज़ें जो करता है फूड, हमें एनर्जी देता है, प्रोटेक्ट करता है डिजीजेस से, हेल्दी रखता है, हमें ग्रोथ करने के लिए हेल्प करता है. तो ये सारी चीज़ें कैसे करता है? How it is possible to perform these all activities by a food? Food एक कैसे करता है? Because food contains different nutrients which perform these functions. Food में क्या होता है? Food में nutrients होते हैं. The food contains nutrients which gives us energy, which protects us from diseases, which keeps us healthy and which help us to grow. Now what are nutrients? A new word, that is nutrient. Nutrient क्या है? Nutrients are the substances present in food which helps us to do these many things. Okay, nutrients means what? These are the substances found in food. फूड में जो substances मिलते हैं हमें, that is called nutrient. जो हम खाना खाते हैं उस खाने में हमें जो भी चीज़ें मिलते हैं बॉडी को ग्रोथ करने के लिए, बॉडी को हेल्दी रखने के लिए, हमें डिजीज फ्री रखने के लिए, हमें एनर्जी देने के लिए जो भी चीज़ें मिलते हैं वो है न्यूट्रिएंट्स. देयर आर डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ न्यूट्रिएंट्स. फर्स्ट वन इज कार्बोहाइड्रेट. Carbohydrates, then first one is carbohydrate, then another one is fats, then proteins, then vitamins, and lastly minerals. These are the 5 types of nutrients that we get from food. First is carbohydrate, second is fats, then third is proteins, fourth is vitamin, fifth is mineral. There are 5 types of nutrients present in food, okay, which helps us in different way. जैसे some nutrient provide us energy, some nutrients keeps us healthy, some nutrients protects us from diseases, some nutrients help us to grow. Okay, let us study one by one. So depending upon their activity, depending upon their performance, the food is divided into 3 categories. The food is divided into 3 categories. What are the different categories? Some food food provide or some nutrient energy provide energy. They are called energy giving food. Energy giving food. Some food helps to grow. Helps to grow. They are known as bodybuilding food. Body building food. Okay, and some food protect from disease. Protect from diseases. They are called protective food. Protective food. Now the question is, which food provides energy, which food help us to grow, and which food protect us from diseases? As we have already discussed about 5 types of nutrients, that are carbohydrates, fats, proteins, vitamins and minerals. Out of those 5 nutrients, some nutrients provides us energy, some nutrients help us to grow, some nutrients protect us from diseases. So which nutrient provides us energy? The nutrient which provides us energy are carbohydrate and fats. The carbohydrates and fats provides us energy, hence they are known as energy giving food. Then which nutrient help us to grow? The proteins. Another type of nutrients we have discussed, that is proteins. The proteins help us to grow, so proteins are known as bodybuilding food. And which nutrients protect us from diseases? देखो जो 5 मैंने न्यूट्रिएंट्स के नाम बताए थे, कार्बोहाइड्रेट्स, फैट्स, प्रोटीन्स, उसके बाद बाकी और 2 बार बच गए विटामिन्स एंड मिनरल्स. विटामिन्स एंड मिनरल्स. So the vitamins and minerals, they protect us from diseases, so they are known as protective food. Okay. The food item that provide us energy, they are called energy giving food. That means the food sources which contain carbohydrate or which provide carbohydrate and fats, they are called energy giving food. What are the food sources which provides energy, and what are the food sources which provides proteins? What are the food sources which provides us vitamins and minerals? Generally, potato, sugar, rice, wheat, these grains. Okay, this type of food provides us carbohydrates and fats. They are called energy giving food. Okay, another thing, that is the food help us to grow, that is the protein. Where do we get protein? We get protein from pulses, यानी कि जो दाल हम खाते हैं, pulses, milk, meat, egg, fish. Okay, इसमें से हमें मिलता है. Or some other food item which provides us fat, like oil, okay, butter, cheese. This can provide us fats also. They are also regarded as energy giving food. But pulses, milk, meat, egg, fish, these can provide us protein. Hence, they are called bodybuilding food. This type of food which provides us protein, they are called bodybuilding food. And what are the food sources which provides us vitamins and minerals? They are the fruits and vegetables. Fruits and vegetables. Vegetables में green leafy vegetables कह सकते हैं इसको, green vegetables. green vegetables. The fruits and green vegetables are provide us different vitamins and minerals, hence they are called protective food. Okay, this is about the types of food. Okay, in the next class we will discuss more about these carbohydrates, fats, proteins, vitamins and minerals. Okay, so this is about this chapter, this is about the topic what we have started today. In the next class we will discuss about more about this